to the select committee to bring us the report within 10 days as required by law. Majority, we have Honorable Michael Mutume, Radian Omondi, and Honorable Mbasa. From the minority, we have Honorable Boss and Honorable Gale. And honorable members, it is upon the responsibility which provides that if a motion under subsection 2 is supported by at least 1/3 of the members of the county assembly, if the county assembly shall appoint a select committee comprising 5 of its members to investigate the matters. Honourable members, therefore, I direct the leader of majority and the leader of minority to consult and submit to my office the names of the honourable members who will constitute the said select committee before the close of the business today. At least 3 from the majority and the 2 from the minority, because in total there are 5 members. And honourable members, I do request that you also, as a matter of fact, you must fact the chair.
Dr.Ndemo, there is no correlation, Mr. Speaker. You were there when we vetted this man, and he scored the highest marks, 91%. And Mr. Speaker, even the little majority can bear witness that this is a brilliant man. He has hardly worked, and I can see a lot of mistakes. Mr. Speaker, I think this is a mistake. The draft of this motion needs to withdraw it, go back, and bring something that is substantial. For now, this one does not hold water. Remove the CEC from office, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, we as the Assembly did our role of ensuring that we passed all the CECs or the chief officers that were brought to us that would work very comfortably with the governor, Mr. Speaker. And the reason as to why I'm in pain today is that the word out there is saying that Kisii County Assembly has been turned into a house of impeachment, Mr. Speaker, which again is not very right, because the moment when people are about to settle in, when we are looking at development, bam, then there's another impeachment coming in. So for me, I know I have learned from this house and learned from other sources that government does not lose. So as we do everything, again, government might not lose. But personally, on the issue of Dr.Ndemo, I have known Dr.Ndemo long enough to know him as a very loyal man. I've known him long enough, yes, to know him as a very loyal man. I've known him as someone who's very straightforward. I have been, I am in a committee of trade, and Dr.Ndemo has been my CEC, and I've seen how he works, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to inform this House that Dr.Ndemo is a hard worker. Even as we go and create a committee to impeach this man, we need people who support the governor to deliver. And mistakes are always there. Even in every home there is a mistake. But how I wish we would sit down and rethink this decision that we are about to make of impeaching this man, whose brain we can use to take Kisii to another level.
We never wish for Honorable Simba Arati, my colleague at the age of 42 to be the Honorable Speaker, because I know the repercussions of that impeachment, Honorable Speaker, and I don't support.
From the onset, I want to record that I oppose this motion. And Honorable Speaker, I call the House the attention on the shortcomings of impeachment, Honorable Speaker. When we impeach the Speaker, when we impeach a CEC, when we impeach a governor, Honorable Speaker, we bring that person, we bring the career of that person to an end, Honorable Speaker. Our Constitution is very clear that people who have been impeached cannot hold any other public office, Honorable Speaker. So as we go into forming of committee that is going to look into this matter, Mr. Speaker, let us have empathy. Let us be sympathetic. Let us be humane enough to take care of lives of other people so that we do not ruin the lives of other people because they also have children to take care of, Honorable Speaker. And I call upon the committee that is going to be formed, Honorable Speaker, to establish between the accused and the mover who has falsified documents, Honorable Speaker. And finally, Honorable Speaker, it's important for us to know that the government eats their own children, Honorable Speaker. This is one CEC, next is another CEC. Honorable Speaker, it's important if we as members who have been given this mandate by the great people of Kisii County, we divide the image of impeaching, Honorable Speaker, and removing into serving the people, Honorable Speaker.
We have seen many chief officers have been sent packing, very young people, very well-schooled people. For example, we have seen Dr.Ndemo is a well-schooled man, a middle-aged man. Can we not be the house that is going to destroy careers of people? The work we have in this assembly, we're supposed to fight for our people, not to destroy careers of our people. We have a contract of 5 years. After 5 years, many of us, we are not very sure that we'll come back to this house. And we go out there with so many blessings, because whatever we are doing in this house is